Hello everyone, myself CA Hemant Somani. I have secured in Dining 46 in CA Finance 2021 examination. बाकी का introduction इधर पढ़ा है लिखा है पढ़ लेना. Okay, so today I am again sharing you the most demanding thing. See in this for the December 21 examination also I have shared one PDF regarding standard on auditing. That was the complete pack. Complete pack means it contains question bank plus summary concept, not whole concept. It's summary concept which are relevant for exam, not 100% concept, which cover the MCQs as well as the case scenarios question, right? So I have received many messages from students that so kindly share it for the May 22 and onwards examination also. So today I am sharing you this. I am extremely sorry. I think I am a little bit late, but because of the job pressure and the workload, I am not able to devote the proper time. So that's why I am sharing it little bit delayed. So fine, let's start. So what is it? It's channel auditing complete pack. You don't need to refer anything else. It's question bank plus summary concept. Question bank plus summary concept. Because going to the exam by just doing the question bank is like foolishness. You will not able to score a good marks if paper get become hard or something like this. Because ICS testing every day, every time ICS testing many type of new questions. So you have to do a good proper grab over the summary, sorry, the concepts, right? And I agree that doing 100% concept of this channel auditing is near to impossible. You can't do 100% concept of this channel auditing. So that's why I'm sharing you the summary concept which are relevant for it. I'm explaining you in detail what it is. See, what it contains is question bank plus summary concept of essays. By reading the summary concept, you can easily tackle the MCQ and case scenario. In the MCQs, you can't solve the MCQ by just doing the questions, right? So you have to read and understand the summary concept for solving the MCQs as well as the case scenario. That's why I am inserting summary concepts here too. And then concept question MCQs 100% as per ICA language. Question bank include 100% question of new syllabus SMRTP MTP paper till December 21 except the December 21 exam paper. Solution not released by ICA yet. Further, the all syllabus relevant questions of all syllabus exam RTP and MTP and all syllabus practice manual relevant question. Only relevant questions. Doing new syllabus question is not enough nowadays. Like you can see the July 21 audit paper, ICI tested 1-2 questions from the all syllabus too. So that's why you have to do the relevant question of all syllabus too, right? So that's why I've inserted only relevant question, not unnecessary burden, right? Only relevant questions of all syllabus. Doing all syllabus question is must. You have to do it, otherwise you will not able to score good marks or exemption, right? So you have to do the all syllabus questions also. And then as I've already explained you, sorry, as I've already explained you, it is summary concept, not 100% concept. Only important concept for understanding MCQ and case scenario purpose. Even if I insert 100% concept, you're gonna surely ignore all of them because 100% concept is near to impossible. Have you ever seen the audit pronouncement? Like I say, also give the audit pronouncement that are nothing that are external auditing. Do you think yet you can do it 100%? No, no, we can't do 100% external auditing, right? So I have inserted only few, means few some important concepts that are very very important for the exam purpose. So 100% concept अगर डालता तो भी तुम ignore ही करते, right? And each and every concept is summarized in the tabular format. Easy for understand, easy for reading, right? And then how to use this book? It is must read it, right? To avoid duplication, I didn't inserted those concepts. To avoid duplication, I didn't inserted those concepts which are already covered in the question section में एक बार क्वेश्चन दे रखा है तो उसको मैंने कॉन्सेप्ट में नहीं डाला है, मतलब और या फिर कॉन्सेप्ट में दे रखा है तो क्वेश्चन में नहीं डाला है, वरना बेहा फालतू डुप्लीकेशन होता है, राइट? सो उस हिसाब से मैंने इसको मैनेज करा है. And then I've inserted important concept only in concept section. Important concept important concept ही डाले. So I recommend you to do 100% concept which I have inserted in this PDF, right? And further important तो है, but those concepts which are very 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 important, I highlighted them in red font, means I texted them in red font, right? So वो वाले जो रेड के अंदर है, रेड फॉन्ट के अंदर, वो तो 110% करके ही जाने वो वाले कॉन्सेप्ट, तो वो तो छोड़ना ही नहीं है. और कुछ क्वेश्चन जो पार्ट सिलेबस में बहुत बार रिपीट हो चुके थे, आई हैव इंसर्टेड दोस क्वेश्चंस इन द फॉर्म ऑफ कॉन्सेप्ट and that I have already highlighted in the rate part. Okay, so must do that. So here is some झलक of this book, right? So here सबसे पहले SQC 1. So सबसे पहले concept, अप्रोक्स हाफ या 1 पेजेस के होंगे, ये हाफ या 1 पेजेस का। ये एक पहले कॉन्सेप्ट डाला एंड लाइक दिस इज द रेड वन, ऑलमोस्ट ईच एंड एवरी कॉन्सेप्ट इज इंपॉर्टेंट दैट आई हैव इंसर्टेड, बट जो रेड है वो वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट है, एज आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन्ड यू। तो रेड वाले तो करने ही करने। फर्दर एमसीक्यू पर्पस के लिए जो मैंने इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है वो हाईलाइट कर रखे, राइट, तो वो भी आपके इजी रहेगा। एंड देन जैसे कॉन्सेप्ट हुआ उसके बाद क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट हो गए, ये क्वेश्चन कर लिए, राइट, तो सब में ऐसा ही कर रखा है मैंने। एंड कुछ कुछ ऐसे के अंदर लैंग्वेज जैसे पूरी आईसीआई की है, बट कुछ कुछ ऐसे जो समझने के अंदर फिर मुश्किल होते हैं, लाइक 59 पेज नंबर फॉर ऐसे 402, या ऐसे कॉन्सेप्ट अगर अपन ऐसे 402 को डायरेक्ट पढ़ने जाए ना, पल्ले नहीं पड़ेगा क्या है व्हाट ऐसे वांट टू से, किस चीज की किस चीज का क्या मतलब है, क्या किसको क्या वर्डिंग यूज ले रहा है, यूजर एडिटर किसको कहते हैं, यूजर एंटिटी किसको कहते हैं, सर्विस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, सब सर्विस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, कार्व आउट मेथड, इंक्लूसिव मेथड, पल्ले ही नहीं पड़ेगा, बिल्कुल समझ नहीं आएगा। सो दैट्स व्हाई सबसे पहले मैंने इसका ब्रीफ दे दिया अपने इजी लैंग्वेज में अपने लिए, ताकि अपन जैसे लोगों को, अपन जो लैमन है, अपन जैसे लोगों को जिनको बिल्कुल ऑडिट नहीं आता, वो भी इस लैंग्वेज को पढ़ के एक बार ऐसे को पूरा समझ ले। जैसे ही अपन ने ऐसे समझ लिया इस लैंग्वेज को पढ़ के, अब आप नीचे का पढ़ो, फिर क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करो, फटाफट समझ में आएगा अपन को कि ऐसे का ब्रीफ मिल गया कि अच्छा इसका मतलब ये होता है, इसको ये बोलना चाहता है ऐसे फाइनली। तो वो एक बार होने के बाद अपना फटाफट हो जाता है। सो राइट, लेट्स फिनिश दिस वीडियो। मतलब ये पीडीएफ अब आपको मिल जाएगी, यू विल फाइंड दिस पीडीएफ इन माय टेलीग्राम चैनल, हियर इज द लिंक ऑफ माय टेलीग्राम चैनल, और इवन यू कैन सर्च ऑन टेलीग्राम सीए हेमंत सोमानी without giving space, right, see Hemant Somani consecutively, and further this pdf is of course for free of cost. So you'll find this pdf as well as my audit rectification series notes and each and everything. And extremely sorry for audit rectification series, I have not uploaded video from many time, because due to the job pressure and all, टाइम नहीं मिल पा रहा है, बट आई विल श्योरली ट्राई टू अपलोड रिमेनिंग चैप्टर ऑफ द ऑडिट रेक्टिफिकेशन सीरीज। ऑलरेडी अपन 5-6 चैप्टर शायद कंप्लीट कर चुके जितना मुझे याद है। For remaining chapter also I will surely upload it, I will try to complete it for the May 22 students, right, you can check on my from my playlist. Okay, done. Till that, bye bye.